that, we would like to invite Mr. Matt Wilson to share a few words with us.
Well, it's almost 2 years since I stood on this stage for the first time. A little bit more nervous, doing my first presentation ever in English that time. Now I've done that a number of times, and I've seen some of the kids starting in our school 2 years ago. This small, growing up, bigger and bigger, developing as students and developing as human beings. This morning's performances here on stage is a proof of all the good things that has happened with the kids since they started. We've seen so many proud and happy faces here. We've seen so many students with a high self-confidence performing. We've seen everyone in the class participating in different ways. And it's a great achievement from these kids to be able to stand on the stage and do these things. Last week I was watching some of the nursery students doing their presentations of the last theme. And I remembered some of these kids coming in 2 years ago. Almost all of them were crying the first week. Almost all of them were hanging to their mother's arm like this, didn't want to let go. Now they stand in front of a huge audience, and that's a little bit scary for a child, with straight backs, happy faces, proud voices, singing and dancing to you. I'm extremely proud to be part of this, and I'm very thankful for you giving us the opportunity to take care of the kids and helping them out. Thank you very much.